Welcome to our COVID-19 daily report for today, December 23rd. I am Claudette Dakers-Norales. The cutoff time for the data presented in this daily report is 1 p.m. It includes information reported within the last 24 hours. A total of 669 samples were tested. Out of this, 116 samples have resulted positive for COVID-19. There are 169 individuals newly under investigation. Today, we also report that 30 infected persons are hospitalized. Unfortunately, 3 of these individuals are being treated at the intensive care unit, and there are no new deaths to report. We are pleased to report that there are 131 new recoveries. As we move forward with the expansion of testing using rapid tests and reports coming in from the private sector, you will notice an increase in the numbers of confirmed cases and the total tests done. Additionally, this report is cumulative since March 2020, when we had our first case. The new total of active cases now stands at 1,213. These are those persons who have been confirmed and are within the time frame to transmit the virus. To date, 56,521 samples have been tested nationally. Out of this, 10,370 samples have resulted positive for COVID-19. 3 positive cases were removed from the total. This is due to them being duplicates. 169 individuals are under investigation. A total of 226 deaths have been reported, but we are pleased to report that there are 8,933 total recoveries. The heat map shows the districts most affected. The greatest number of cases are seen in Toledo, Stann Creek, and Belize district. Toledo reported 23 new cases, with Big Falls and Mafredi each responsible for 5 of those cases. Both Stann Creek and Belize districts each reported 22 cases. Dangriga and Belize City remain the communities mostly affected, accounting for 8 and 17 cases respectively. Cayo and the Orange Walk district each reported 20 new cases, with Orange Walk Town responsible for 19 cases and Mayamopan in Belmopan responsible for 5 new cases. Corozal reported 9 new cases spread throughout the district. The Ministry of Health and Wellness urges the public to wear a face mask properly in public, maintain consistent physical distancing, avoid social gatherings, and wash and sanitize hands often. Please be safe and stay at home unless conducting essential business. Let us join forces in the fight against COVID-19.
Hello everyone. This year has been a challenging and difficult year for many people all over the world. From losing jobs, incomes, businesses, to many of us having our loved ones ill or hospitalized, or having lost our loved ones to COVID-19. It has been a year of lockdowns, rules, and curfews. We have been encouraged to no longer socialize, to not hug or kiss our families, to leave loved ones alone for their special days or the holidays, to use our mask from nose to chin, and to wash hands or sanitize as much as possible. Many of us are left with no hope, and for many of us, hope is all that we do have. During this Christmas time, persons working on the front line will continue to give of themselves, even more, and many of us will be working throughout the holidays. I would like to say a sincere thanks to all the dedicated, hard-working frontline personnel in the health facilities all over our beautiful nation, providing care to those who access our facilities. The resilience shown by our many, and especially our health team, throughout this year is beyond compare and must be admired. We continue to wake up every morning and present to work in these very uncertain times. I continue to ask that we collectively act to prevent the spread of COVID-19. Public health measures have been proven to reduce spread, like social distancing, properly using your mask over your nose and chin and protecting your eyes. And hand washing and constant sanitizing is also strongly recommended. Early detection and isolation has always been one of the measures taken by the Ministry of Health and Wellness. And we are hopeful that the rolling out of rapid test drives all over the country will continue to help us to detect and isolate cases early. Seeking medical care by attending the flu clinic or calling the emergency numbers is necessary and encouraged. Do not wait until it is too late. Please remember that we can all do our part to stop the spread of COVID-19. This response is not only for the Ministry of Health and Wellness, but for each and every one of us. This Christmas season, have a quiet and enjoyable time with the family that you live with. Not socializing with your mom, dad, grandparents, or vulnerable relatives may be the best gift that you can give them this year. I would once again like to extend a sincere thank you to all our health teams countrywide on the ground, holding the fort this Christmas in ambulances, flu clinics, health centers, COVID wards, and hospitals all over our country. I wish you all a safe and blessed Christmas and a new year filled with hope and aspiration. Let us continue to join forces in the fight against COVID-19.